What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking a little bit about my channel and some things that you're going to see here. Ultimately, I wanted to come onto YouTube and I wanted to start a channel to share the passion that I have with cars and trucks and show you guys some of the things that I do at home. I do all my own work on all my own cars at home for the most part, either in my driveway or in my garage. I've been doing it for about 10 years now. I've probably owned 20 to 30 vehicles. I buy them, I drive them for a bit, I fix them up, sometimes I sell them, sometimes I keep them. But recently in the past couple months, about 6 months ago, I got a new truck, and about 2 months ago, we got a new SUV for my wife. And I really think that these are two great vehicles that I can come on here and I can show you guys some stuff and plans that I have for both of them. I'm really busy the last couple months and I've had plans to do YouTube for a little while now, but I've been moving and we just got those two new cars and I've been doing some stuff on the house. We just moved in, we're doing like minor renovations, just a little facelift in the kitchen. My garage isn't even fully set up yet. I'm still in the process of getting everything set up. I got stuff everywhere. The tools aren't all where they need to be, but that's going to be done very, very shortly. So yeah, I'm going to touch on why I picked up the camera today, and because I have a special project that I'm going to be doing on this channel, and I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to show you guys everything I do to that project. But ultimately guys, I'm just here on YouTube to share the passion that I have with the cars, and just bring you guys along for the ride. Just show you guys, what I'm doing, whether it's, customize or something, or fixing it up, or cleaning it, or, it doesn't matter. Whatever the case may be, I'm putting my own special touch on it. I just wanted to bring you guys along because, I have a lot of people that I enjoy watching, and I've been inspired by them. I've learned different things from them. It's really got my mind going, and I'm very thankful for that, and I'm very thankful for this platform, how I'm able to show you guys what I'm doing and how we can communicate on here. So I'm very thankful for that. So with all that being said, I'm going to flip the camera around and I'm going to do a quick overview on these two cars. Okay guys, so on the right hand side here we got my wife's 2019 GMC Yukon. It's the XL version. We got that about 2 months ago, and on the left hand side here we got my 2018 Silverado, which I also did purchase new. I purchased that in August, so about 6 months ago. I'm very happy and very pleased with both of them. They're both two solid vehicles. We are both very blessed, and we worked hard to get these vehicles, and we're very thankful, and I'm super excited and stoked to get working on them. I do have plans for both of them. Actually, this truck, a lot of stuff has already changed on this truck. For some of you guys looking at this truck, you guys might say, wow, this truck's completely stock, but it is stock, but it did not come like this. It did not look like this whatsoever. The truck looks totally different, and I'm going to go over with you guys on that in another video. I'm going to kind of talk about what I did. Some of the key stuff is paint match right there. None of that was there, so I'm going to go over with you guys that in another video, explain what I did and how it's going. And I already did some interior stuff on this truck too, and there's definitely more to come. On this car, I haven't really done too much. I mean, I did some stuff with the lights, I did the tint, some floor mats for nothing too fancy yet. I definitely do have some stuff and plans for this car as well. It's probably not coming till the spring. Now this truck, I had a lot of plans for this truck, and I would say about a month ago I had a big itch to do something, and I was looking at doing either a level and lift kit, and I started thinking, okay, 6-inch, and then I'm doing my research online and I'm going, okay, well maybe I'm gonna go 7.5, or maybe I'm gonna go 8, and I started looking at wheel and tire setups, and I started thinking, okay, so I got the 5.3 in this, and we just moved out of town, so I'm up and down the highway all the time. And if you guys have ever owned a gas truck and it was lifted or even leveled or even had somewhat of an aggressive 33-inch tire on there, you guys know that the fuel economy isn't very good whatsoever. As soon as you get to that, your fuel economy really plummets. So then I started thinking, okay, so do I really want to do that to a truck that I'm going to drive every single day as a daily driver? Yes, I do, and no, I don't. So right as I had that itch to do something, that's what I mentioned before, that project. Something came up. One morning I was on, I just woke up, we were in the middle of packing actually, so the timing wasn't too great. And I just opened Facebook Marketplace and I just start scrolling through to, you know, see what's there. And the first thing, you know, pops up, and let me show you guys in a minute here what I'm exactly talking about. And, you know, the ad pops up and I message the guy and I say, is the vehicle still available? And he says, yes it is. And I said, okay, perfect. Are you looking for cash, or are you looking for a trade? He goes, well actually, I just had a baby and I'm looking for a trade for a 4-door vehicle. I'm looking for something more practical. I said, well, I got a 4-door vehicle that I'm selling. So I gave him the info and I said, are you interested? And he said, yeah, I'm interested. How about I come by in half an hour? I said, okay, cool. Come on by. And as soon as he came by, I start checking out the vehicle, and I really start liking it. I see a lot of potential for it immediately. From the time I started driving down the street, I knew that I wanted this vehicle, and I saw a lot of potential in it. And I knew that that vehicle was going to fix the itch I was having to do something on that truck. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to bring that vehicle over and I'm going to show you guys exactly the project that I just picked up and what I'm talking about. All right, guys, here we go. Look at her. Look at her in all her glory. Let me show you guys. Look at this thing. Look. 03 Silverado extended cab. Now, this is the truck. This is the project that I've waited to tell you guys. Now, super excited about this truck. It's going to be one heck of a project. And this is essentially was going to fix my itch that I was having on this new Silverado that I bought. And now I'm going to lift a truck, and I don't got to worry about daily driving it every day. I can drive it when I want, and it's a full project now. And now I'm going to take you guys along for the ride. And you know, this truck is going to be completely changed. Ultimately, from the ground up, everything is going to be swapped on it. So right now, it's got the 6-liter motor in it, with a built transmission, with a shift kit. It's got the 6-inch lift with a 3-inch body lift. 18-inch rims, 37-inch BF Goodrich KO tires. Just gotta give you guys a quick little walk around of the truck right here. So, as I was telling you guys before, I found that truck that morning on Facebook Marketplace, and from the minute he rolled up, I was just falling in love with it. I mean, it was big, it was massive, it was aggressive, and it was just the famous cat eye Chevy that everybody loves. Now, I had a cat eye before, and everybody loves them. They're starting to get harder to find, but I feel like the cat eye, it changed everything for GM. The 03 to 06, the cat eye, everybody fell in love with them. They were aggressive, they were mean looking, they were just tough trucks overall. Little facelifts that they made in 03 that just changed the truck completely. Now, there's a lot of work that needs to be done to this truck, and it's not mechanical, which I'm very excited about. It's mainly cosmetic. Now, I got a lot of parts for the front end. The front end's pretty solid right now. I mean, the alignment's off. I gotta do an alignment on it. Might just do a quick one at home myself. I got ball joints for it. I got like a pitman arm for it. So I'm gonna throw that all in there. And then everything else is just it's just body work. I mean, the truck needs to be painted first of all. Needs the rocker panels and the cab corners installed, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do it myself or I'm going to send it out. But regardless, I'm going to be pulling the box off, the front clip's coming off, I'm going to bring it all in the garage, I'm going to prep it all, I'm going to paint it all, I'm going to take you guys along with the process. I also got some goodies that are going to be happening in the front end. I mean, top to bottom, this truck's going to change, guys. I mean, in a couple of months, you guys won't even recognize this whatsoever. And I still got these other two vehicles, guys, that I'm super excited to start doing as well. So I'm really excited to bring you guys along for the ride, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And please like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.